Welcome to my channel, dear student. In this video we are going to solve this tricky math question. Trust me, mostly people can solve this question by wrong method. He can cancel 6 and 6 and he can write 6 divided by 1 which is equals to 1. But trust me, this answer is absolutely wrong. Now I am going to solve this question by correct method. So, according to the rule of PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority and we can solve it from left to right. So now here firstly we can solve division, but student, to solve this part we follow the rule of keep change flip, which is shortly mostly people say that KCF rule. This rule say that whenever you change division to multiplication, then numerator is changed to denominator and denominator is changed to numerator, and we can write it as so 36 times 6, which is finally equals to 216. This is the final answer of this question. To see my more maths video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.